This video was brought to you by the Jack L. Hill Lifelong Learning Center, located in the Norman F. Feldheim Central Branch of the San Bernardino Public Library. Please subscribe, and if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and share with your friends and family.
Hello, my name is Christian Valdez with the San Bernardino Public Library. Today we're going to be learning about static electricity and hopefully have some fun along the way. This experiment should be relatively easy and take around 15 minutes to complete. Here are some of the supplies you'll need. First of all, you need something round that you can trace around, like a plate. You'll need one balloon. You'll need one marker or pen, one pair of scissors, and one piece of tape around this big. For our first step, we're going to draw a perfect circle using our plate as a guide. Make sure to hold the plate down with your hand so it doesn't move around. Next, we're going to draw a spiral inside of the circle. Try to keep it pretty even. It's kind of hard. As you can see, I don't do it perfectly, but that's okay. This is going to be the outline for our snake. Now we're going to cut it out. Make sure to cut away from yourself. And try not to touch the snake itself because you might crumple the paper. Once you've cut out a rough outline, like I've done here, just follow the line with your scissors. Next, we're going to decorate our snake. I decided to draw some eyes and make a small tongue, but you can do whatever you want. If you want to give it a tongue, I suggest you draw a big Y on a piece of paper and cut it out. After you've cut it out, stick it onto a piece of tape, and then stick that onto your snake. After that, just tape the snake's tail down to the paper, and we're all done with making the snake. Next, we need to blow up our balloon. Tying the balloon can be a bit difficult, so I suggest you ask a parent or sibling for help. If you want to try tying the balloon yourself, just wrap the end around your finger and then pull it under your finger the way I do in this video. I know it's a bit hard to see, but you can do it. If you have something made out of wool, use that. Otherwise, try rubbing it against your hair, the floor, or anything else you think might work. Rub it for around 1 minute. Once your balloon is charged, we're ready to make our snake dance. Just bring your balloon close to the snake, and you notice it being attracted to the balloon like magic. It's not magic though, it's science. If your balloon isn't pulling the paper at this point, try rubbing it against something else. Remember, something wool is good, or your hair. Here's another experiment you can try that's a bit easier than the snake. Just make some confetti with your leftover tissue paper, charge your balloon up again, and try it out. You can see the paper lifts up like magic. Notice how strong the attraction is. I shake it really hard, but it still doesn't fall off. It looks almost like a magnet, and it's pretty amazing if you ask me. Now, how does this actually work? Electric charge is carried by tiny particles called protons, which carry a positive charge, and electrons, which carry a negative charge. Charges exert forces on each other. Charges of the same type push apart or repel, while opposite charges pull together or attract. Normally, there are equal numbers of positive and negative charges everywhere. As you can see in this picture, that's how it is when we first start. However, when you rub the balloon on wool or your hair, it picks up extra electrons, giving the balloon an overall negative charge. Like in this picture, which is what happens after we charge up our balloon. This pushes the electrons away in the paper, making the paper's edge positively charged. That is why the paper snake is attracted to the balloon. Thank you so much for watching. This is Christian Valdez with the San Bernardino Public Library, and I hope you had fun learning about static electricity.